Hey Shugs, and welcome back to the Aloha from our channel. And I hope you guys caught our Mother's Day montage of different women talking about their experiences. And if you missed it, click above, it's right there. And you guys, this episode is all about giving you some fashion tips about what they have right now at Express. Get into some of these looks inspired by Juneteenth. Hey, you guys. Yes, with your girl, Renika Moore. And we are going to get into some looks to celebrate and dress for our Black independence. You guys know Juneteenth just passed, but guess what? We need to celebrate every day. And these are some looks that really spoke to me about our heritage and everything. So come shop with me at Express, okay? Okay, you guys, whenever I saw this, I had to pull it out. You guys need to get it. If they got petite, I'm grabbing it, baby. This color just really embodies the boldness of us, our heritage, and who we are. We all bold. We step out and people see it. You know, some people might be intimidated by it, but look, you guys, we need to own our essence, our beautifulness, and our boldness. This is some great looks for it. And I love these brown tones they have. Express, look, do not sleep on Express. And this fabric is so soft, can complement any figure, you guys, with a stretch. And there you see that color again. We see that color again. It had a little scarf, y'all. Boom, a little wrap it around your waist. However you want to style it, tie it around your head. Do it. Boy, we just can't seem to get away from this color, you guys, because it's hot. Look, and it comes with different shades. We got the black, we got that gray, and again, we got that mustard color, and we got the cream. Look, all these colors deserve to be in your closet. What I really love about this look is the shoulders, you guys. Look how bold the details in the shoulders. Look, that's a statement piece in its own. And again, here we go with the brown shades. That print, those graphics. Add some graphics to your look. It reminds me of Africa. I feel like I could go to a safari. This skirt is another thing that reminds me of Africa with the tassels underneath. Beautiful, beautiful. And we got my favorite color here. It's so rich. It reminds me of kings and queens. And then when you look at this dress, it still has the hints of the purple and that beautiful copper, which would be beautiful on any shade. Then we got this beautiful graphic dress. And if you go down, look at these shoes. Like, and these slides, these sandals would be perfect to adding with this look or any of the other looks. Take the jacket off and look, you have a beautiful dress with a peephole. Very homage to our culture. And look at these shoes. I'm obsessed. And it has like about a 1.5 inch heel, and you can pair that with the dress before, or really any outfit that you already have in your closet, because to me this color is more on the neutral side. And you can really just rock it with any color. Look at these shoes. What I love about this shoe, this strappy shoe here, is this heel. Come on, black excellence, baby. And I did find this tweed romper set. I love it, love it, love it. You could dress it up or dress it down, honey. Add a white cami, black cami, what have you. And look, you gotta look. Yeah, what I'm about to pull out. Ooh, this dress here. Yes, baby, queendom. Queen style, honey. Some shoes, some heels, some pumps. I could see Michelle Obama wearing this. Whomever, baby, black excellence all day. So many great finds at Express. And you guys know I'm an Express Style Editor partner. So you guys make sure to shop with me. All my information is down below. I'm going to just put one link down below. You guys can shop, go have fun shopping away, okay? And look this, y'all. Look at this shirt. You could dress it up, dress it down, and I love the detailed pleating on the shoulders. It gives you a little edgier appeal. You can wear this year round. It's a cotton blend shirt, very soft. This top is everything. You could do so much with it. Y'all, I'm telling you right here. Look at that top. I love the neckline. I love the sleeves. I love the pleating. And you guys, it has stretch to it. It has stretch, so it's going to be very comfortable. It's a silk blend. And you guys, we already know cargo pants are in. They are in. Look, you can pair it with this. You can pair it with any top. And again, that shade of green acts as a neutral. You can really pair it and wear it with different shades and things. Look, have fun with these pants. It's very comfortable. I'm about to show you these details. Look at the hem. Wow, I got a cuffed hem, and it has the pleating, like a little nice little vent for that extra shape at the bottom. I love it. Look at that, y'all. Pockets galore. Belt. Look, you better copy one of these. Now we about to get into the men's, you guys. Look at all these graphic button-down tees. It's just giving, hey, black power. Like, we can wear this anytime and in the shade of brown. Look at all these polos, different options of polos, graphics, option after option after option. And you guys, get into these casual shoes. It's very important that every man has a pair of these shoes. Now let's talk about the shirt. Oh my gosh, it's the best texture material I've ever felt. So soft. And yes, you guys, I got more shoes for you. And you guys, DM me or click the link below to shop this catalog. As always, it's a pleasure chatting with you guys. Make sure to comment down below. Make sure to let me know if this information was useful, or you're gonna shop, or what else you would like to see from me. And remember to shop and subscribe, as well as follow us on all social media at Opulent Manor. And remember, as always, it's big manner, nothing less. Until next time.